Anytime.
Okay, we're here with a video tutorial on how to get the simulator room up and running so that you can use it for your enjoyment. There's three key things to remember when you come into the simulator room and you need to power up the system. The first is that you need to power up the actual computer. The second is that you need to power up the projector. And the third is we need to power up the GC Hawk launch monitor. It's pretty simple once you've done it once or twice, but we're going to walk you through the process real quickly here. So first thing I'm going to do when I come in to power up the system is open up the computer cabinet. In the upper right hand corner of the computer tower is the power button. I'm going to just press that one time and you'll know that it's on when you see the light come up in the fluorescent green. So that's step one. Step two, we are going to grab the projector remote out of the remote caddy. There's a red button on the projector remote that signals to power up the projector. So I'm going to take the remote, point it at the projector, hit the red button one time. You'll know that it's powering up when you see the green light flashing. The third and final step to get things up and running is to hit the Hawk remote. This has an on-off switch. It's real simple. You just hit the on button. You'll see a little yellow button, and you'll know that the Hawk is powering up when you see the yellow button up there as well. And then that'll turn blue when it's actually ready to use. That's really what you need to do, the three steps to get things up and running. A couple important reminders as we're finalizing that process. When you're using the system, we please ask that you use clean golf balls only, so we would prefer that you use new golf balls, but make sure that they're clean. Make sure your clubs are clean, and the reason we need to use clean equipment is that any dirt can be transferred to the projector screen. So clean equipment is really important. Use the provided tees also as well. A tee that's too long could actually create a pop-up into the Hawk, which would damage the system. Also, we ask that you, when you're done using the simulator room, that you take your clubs with you, and then also return the remote controls to the remote caddy when you're done. If you need to use the bathroom at any time, the bathrooms are right across the hall and are easily accessible. The last step here before we end this tutorial is once you're actually powered up and we want to log into the system, this is Simulator 2. We have a user manual and, this is actually Simulator 1. The login pin is right here on the user manual. So in order to get into the system, we're going to type the pin in, which is the golf shop phone number, 610-872-8461. 610-872-8461. And that will get you into the desktop. So hope that tutorial is helpful. That's the first step to get up and running. See you up here in the Gunn Range.